Hello. Welcome back into the series. This is going to be part 2 of the series, and today's district is Hell's Kitchen. By the way, I forgot to mention the rules on the series. So here it is. Number 1, 1 business from each district. Number 2, pay off our loans. And number 3, $5,000 profit on each business every day. Okay, so this is the final output of the business I made in Gorman District. I know, it isn't the best, but it fits for a simple business. Okay, I'm going to barely do story at Hell's Kitchen to start up the business. Okay, let's name it 5 Pizzas. Ha! Did I scare you? Yeah, I bought a car at the dealership for $11,000. Then went to Square Appliances. Okay, I put the stuff in my car. Let's go to my 5 pizzas now. Hey, did you like great transition? Okay, let's set it up. Okay, I finished up setting up the things I got from Square Appliances. So now let's go to Agent Tenders. Okay, bought the stuff. So I'ma go back to 5 pizzas. Okay, I'm gonna set up now the stuff. Did you like that? So I've been setting up. Do you like it? Let's go. I'm gonna buy some food now. No, I forgot to mention I bought a bed. So I'm gonna place it in 5 pizzas, cause I need to sleep. So as you can see, Essential Appliances is still closed, so we're going to sleep until 8:30 a.m. so that I will be in this Orion C-rate and die. Okay, now that we're here, let's get the stuff, like the hot dogs and pizza. Okay, now I'ma put it in the car. Okay then, let's go to Essential Appliances now. I'm going to buy stuff for the bedroom too, so okay, got the stuff they need. Let's go now. Okay, let's put the stuff I bought inside my store. So I made the place better off camera and adjusted the stuff. And this is how it looks, so what do you think? Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna adjust the employees and fix their schedule. Okay, we're going back to Essential Appliances because I forgot some things. Get us by this and that. Okay, I'm gonna put it in my coin now.
Run.
Oh my God!
Okay, I'm back. I survived that. Let's put the stuff now inside my store. Okay, now we're going to AJ and Benderson to buy tables and chairs. Okay, buy this and that, then let's go.
17:30, I'm like, hey, what's up? Sit your pretty ass soon as you came in the door.
Let's put this there and adjust these. Oh, these workers are working for me now. Okay, I'm going to sleep again.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Invited this man.
Get your ass on, man. Bye.